How to fix Google Drive. Sorry, the file you requested does not exist. Now first, make sure the link is correct. If someone sent you the link, ask them to send it again. Even one missing character in the URL can cause this error. Second, check if the file still exists. Open Google Drive, search for the file by name, check in the trash in case it was accidentally deleted. Third, verify you're using the correct Google account. If the file was shared with a different Google account, switch accounts or open the link in an incognito window and sign in with the correct account. Fourth, ask the owner to check sharing. The owner should confirm that the file still exists, link sharing is enabled, or you've been granted access. The file hasn't been moved or permanently deleted. Fifth, clear browser cache or try another browser. Now this is less common, but if the link works for others and not you, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, try Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, if the file was deleted, unfortunately there is no way to access it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.